my dear little friends. Welcome to the new segment of Invest Kids Finance. Today, I will be narrating the first story of Rupee Tales from Zerodha by Karthik Rangappa. The Rupee Tales consist of 5 stories. The first one is Anu Learns to Save. This story is all about the importance of saving money regularly from a very early age in life. Let's begin. Anu Learns to Save. Characters in the story: Annie and Anu. Story by Karthik Rangappa. Illustrations by Tarun Andrews. Two little girls, Annie and Anu, lived in a tiny village near Lautolim, Goa. They were the best of friends. They went to the same school and they always played together. The villagers were very fond of Annie and Anu as they were always willing to help people. In return for all the help, the villagers would often reward the girls. Some gave them small knickknacks, some gave them snacks to eat, and some even gave them coins. One sunny Sunday morning, they helped Bolu the shepherd look after his sheep as they grazed happily on a grassy hillock. "You girls are so kind and helpful," said Bolu and offered them each a tall glass of sweet milk. One day they helped Rani, the flower lady, to make a nice garland. Rani was so happy with the girls that she gave them both beautiful roses. One day they helped Rodriguez, the postman, to sort out the letters in his post office. Rodriguez gave them both 5 coins each and said, "Buy some sweets with these, children." With the coins they got from Rodriguez, they ran to the local sweet shop to buy kulkuls. Kulkuls are crunchy, sugar-glazed curls traditional to Goa. Anu used up every single one of her 5 coins, but Annie only used 2 and put the rest in her bag. "Why are you putting the coins in your bag?" asked Anu. "I am saving them for another day," said Annie, with a smile on her face. Anu was confused. One day, while returning from school, they saw Michael, the milkman. Michael was old and was struggling to carry the milk cans. "Please let us help you, Uncle Michael," said Anu. "I would love that, Anu dear, but these are the only 3 cans of milk I have, and I need to take it to the market safely," said Michael. "Promise, we will be careful with your milk cans," said Anu. "All right, children, you can help me carry these 2 cans," said Michael and handed them a milk can each. The 3 of them started walking towards the market. Swish! A cat crossed the road and stole little Anu. "Eeks!" she screamed and jumped aside, knocking down both Annie and Michael. They all fell down and the milk was spilt on the ground. "Anu, it is just a cat," said Michael in a sad voice, looking at the spilt milk. "My cows are sick and these were the only 3 cans of milk I got this whole week. I had to sell them in the market to earn some money. What do I do now?" said Michael. Anu felt terrible. "I am sorry," she cried. The 3 of them sat on the road feeling very sad. "Idea," said Annie all of a sudden. "I have saved some coins, Uncle Michael. You can take them from me and give it back whenever you can," said Annie in an excited voice. "That is really nice of you, Annie. This will help me a lot. But are you sure?" asked Michael. "Yes, Uncle. I have saved my coins for a day like this. You can take them today. You need it more than I do," said Annie. "This is very kind of you, Annie," said Michael. Annie dug into her bag to find the coins and handed it over to Michael. While Michael walked away with the coins, Anu still felt terrible, but she was quick to realize why Annie did not buy kulkuls for all the coins the other day. Anu looked at her friend and said, Annie, now I understand why you saved those coins. You will always need some extra coins for a day like this. As they walked back towards their house, Anu said, I promise I will always save some coins from today. Annie was glad that her best friend understood the importance of saving money. Moral: this story is all about the importance of saving money regularly from a very early age in life. Thank you. In the next video, we will narrate the story Money's Money, which is the second book from Rupee Tales. Please do like if you like the video and don't forget to subscribe to get the notifications of the upcoming videos on Kids Finance. Please post your valuable comments. Do follow the channel for good learning about money matters. Thanks for watching and have a good day.